Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made two really beautiful display trays that were both inexpensive and easy to make. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my round display tray, I decided to recreate this 21.5-inch display tray that you've seen me use in several of my videos. I'm asked about it all the time, so I thought that this was a perfect fit for this video. For this project, I purchased one of the Joann's mirrors. They are $7.99, but I paid $4 with my 50% off coupon. I also used some of these 1-inch mirrors that I purchased from Michael's, along with my E6000. I'll leave a complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was clean my glass, and then I used my E6000 to attach my smaller mirrors along the perimeter of my 16-inch round mirror. I allowed this to dry for about 30 minutes, and then I added a second row of these small mirrors. I continued to adjust my mirrors until they were as evenly spaced as possible, and I allowed this to dry overnight. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirror, and here was my finished look. Simple but beautiful. For my gold mirrored tray, I used two of these 8x10 picture frames, one of these 8x10 framed mirrors, 4 packs of my mirror Mosaic stickers, and my Fix All adhesive. Again, I'll leave the complete list of everything that I use for both projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the contents from both of my picture frames. I then removed the black tabs from one of those frames. Next, I used my E6000 and a small amount of hot glue to attach my gold frames together. Next, I used my Fix All adhesive to attach the Mosaic stickers along the outside of my tray. I found it easier to fold the stickers and then use an X-acto knife to cut off the pieces needed. I followed a technique similar to using a letter opener. The adhesive on these Mosaic stickers is very strong, but I decided to also add the Fix All adhesive to ensure that the stickers stay in place over time. I then added those Mosaic stickers to the inside of my tray as well. With the exception of a small space in the corner of my tray, the mirrored stickers fit the inside and the outside of my tray perfectly. Of course, I could have used these single strips of the Mosaic stickers to cover up the top of my tray, but I liked how the gold looked, so I decided to leave the stickers off the top of the tray instead. I then removed the mirror from its frame, and I used my Fix All adhesive to attach the mirror to the center of one of the pieces of glass from my photo frame. And since my mirror is slightly smaller than the clear glass, I decided to also add a row of the Mosaic stickers to each side of the mirror as well. It was then time to assemble my tray. I placed my tray face down, added first the clear glass from my second photo frame, and then my mirror, followed by the cardboard backing. To complete the project, I cleaned the mirror on my tray, and here was my finished look. So there you have it, guys. 2 inexpensive but beautiful trays that would look beautiful in anyone's home. So hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.